Hey Hassan, great job. I really like this. Very good. Keep it up.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Natalie. I'm glad you liked my presentation. I just wanted to know what you liked in specific. As my manager, I'd love to hear your insight. So maybe what things I can work on for the next one?
This was vague feedback. A great job. What was great about the job? Did they meet deadlines? Did they support the team? When giving feedback, be specific about the behavior so that behavior is repeated. Hey Hassan, I've got to say, I'm impressed. Management said your overall performance has been satisfactory. Customer satisfaction, 89%.
Amazing. 89%? That's amazing. That's a record. But what's your insight on that last 11%? Because next time I'm aiming for 95%. So what do you think I can do?
This was an example of empty feedback. There was a statistic provided, but the statistic did not have any context. Provide context when giving feedback so the receiver understands what they need to improve on. You meet deadlines, you can manage productivity, and you're kind of a good manager.
Oh, well, thank you for your feedback, Natalie, and I really appreciate the comments. I'll take that into consideration. However, as you're my manager, what can I do to improve my managerial competencies? Because I really want to be better than just a kind of a good manager.
This is an example of generic feedback. It could be given to anyone. It wasn't person specific, it wasn't task specific, and it wasn't role specific. Now, in this next scene, let's look at negative feedback, often the most difficult to receive and to give. Hassan, look, you're just so slow. I mean, preparing budgets. You've been doing this for 3 years. Have you learned anything? You've got to speed up. Come on.
Okay. Well, thank you for being so honest. And as my manager, can we sit down and create an action plan? Because I want to learn how to create budgets. Because honestly, this is my first time. Muhammad used to do them for the past 3 years.
In all these scenarios, it is clear that the employees care more about the feedback than the actual manager. Employees are craving for valid, reliable, and specific feedback so they can act on it. So if you're giving feedback, make sure it's valuable and in context so the employee understands it and knows what they have to do to improve their performance.